Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Sophia and today we are going to talk about going to school.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Hi Sophia, how are you today?
I am good, thank you. And you?
I am good too. Do you like going to school?
Yes, I like it. It is part of my life.
That is nice. What time do you go to school?
I go at 7 in the morning.
Oh, that is early. I go at 7 too.
Do you walk to school?
No, I take the bus.
I also take the bus.
The bus is very helpful.
Yes, it is. It saves time.
What do you take to school every day?
I take books and a notebook.
I take the same.
Do you like your school?
Yes, I like it very much.
Me too. My school is friendly.
My teachers are very kind.
That is great. My teachers are kind too.
What is your favorite subject?
I like English.
Oh, nice. I like English too.
English is very useful.
Yes, we can talk with many people.
Do you have many friends at school?
Yes, I have many friends.
I also have many friends.
I sit with my friend in class.
I sit near the window.
The window seat is nice.
Yes, I can see outside.
Do you have homework every day?
Yes, I have homework every day.
Me too. It can be a lot sometimes.
Yes, but it helps us learn.
Going to school is very important for children.
Yes, it helps us learn new things every day.
Let's talk about the morning before school.
Good idea. I wake up at 6 o'clock.
I wake up at 6:30.
What do you do after waking up?
I wash my face and brush my teeth.
I do the same.
Then I eat breakfast.
What do you eat?
I eat bread and drink milk.
I eat eggs and tea.
That sounds healthy.
Yes, breakfast is important.
Do you wear a uniform?
Yes, I wear a school uniform.
Me too. It is simple and clean.
I agree. It saves time in the morning.
Do you like your bag?
Yes, it is blue.
My bag is black.
I carry many books in it.
Me too. It is heavy sometimes.
Yes, but we need books.
What do you do on the bus?
I look outside or listen to music.
I sometimes talk with friends.
That is fun.
Let's talk about classes.
Yes, I have math first.
I have English first.
Math is sometimes difficult.
Yes, but practice helps.
I like when the teacher explains slowly.
Me too. That helps a lot.
Do you take notes?
Yes, I always take notes.
I also take notes.
Notes help us study later.
Yes, very true.
What do you do at break time?
I eat snacks and talk with friends.
I play outside.
That sounds fun.
We play football sometimes.
I like football too.
School break is my favorite time.
Me too.
Let's learn some English from our talk.
Yes, that is a good idea.
We used the word wake up. It means stop sleeping.
Example, I wake up at 6 a.m.
Another word is uniform. It is school clothes.
Example, I wear a uniform to school.
We also say take notes. It means write important things.
Example, I take notes in class.
Let's practice a sentence.
I go to school every day.
Good. Another one.
I study English at school.
Very good. Pronunciation tip. School sounds like school.
Yes, not school, just school.
What about you, listeners?
Do you go to school?
Please write your answer in the comments.
We want to know your daily routine.
If you're enjoying this episode, please like and subscribe.
Thank you so much for your support.
Let's talk more about school friends.
Yes, friends make school fun.
I have a best friend at school.
I also have a best friend.
We study together.
That is helpful.
We help each other with homework.
That is very good.
Do you like group study?
Yes, I like it.
Me too. It is easier.
Sometimes we laugh too.
Yes, but we also learn.
School life is interesting.
I agree. Let's talk about teachers.
Yes, my teacher is very kind.
My teacher is strict but good.
Strict teachers help us learn.
Yes, that is true.
I ask questions in class.
Me too. Asking is good.
Teachers like questions.
Yes, it shows we are learning. Let's learn more English words.
Good idea.
We used the word study. It means to learn.
Example, I study at night.
Classroom is where we study.
Example, I am in the classroom.
Homework is work at home.
Example, I do my homework.
Very good. Keep practicing.
Yes, practice every day.
Do you feel tired after school?
Yes, sometimes I feel tired.
Me too.
I rest at home.
I also rest and drink water.
That helps a lot.
Then I study again.
Good habit.
Thank you for listening today.
We hope you enjoyed it.
What about you? How was your school life?
Tell us in the comments.
Keep learning English every day.
Small steps are important.
Today was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation today.
Thank you everyone for listening.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye everyone.
Bye.